Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicolas. A great start to a great day. How did you get here, guys? Wow, what a cool tandem. Jacques, did you make it? That's Hooligan Lee. I wonder what he forgot here. Oh no, guys! Hooligan Lee has stolen your bike! What are we going to do? Excellent idea, Jacques! The police don't sleep. Let's catch this thief. Come on, Jacques, step on it. Great! We've almost caught him. Hey guys, are you all right? Ugh, vicious hooligan. Oh, it will be harder to catch Lee here. Haha, why didn't we think about the siren before? Oh no, guys! Be careful! What a pity. Good that we have a pump. You've tried a bit too hard. Now it's much better. But how are we going to find Lee? He's probably too far away by now. There are so many useful things in police cars. Ah, there he is! Well, our car is definitely faster than a bike. Surrender, Lee! You won't get away from the police! That's what Lee was hoping for. Yes, Lee can't do without his second pilot. Jacques, what are you doing? You're helping the criminal. Nicolas, you're our only hope. Surrender, Lee! You're surrounded! What a breathtaking pursuit we had today. Jacques, Nicolas, you're a real policeman team. What should we do with the criminal? Bring him to the police station? Then good luck, and see you soon. Hi, Jacques. Be careful, Nicolas. Hi. Have you decided to visit Mrs. Duck? Good fellows. Nobody's here. Maybe Mrs. Duck is in the backyard. Good afternoon, Mrs. Duck. Jacques and Nicolas came to visit you. Let's help Mrs. Duck with the garden, guys. Excellent. We need to gather the carrots, to trim the bush nicely, and to water the roses. You have an idea? Jacques, you're a real cottager. Let's head off to the garage. What are you up to, guys? Guys, are you sure that the tractor will cope with all of Mrs. Duck's tasks? Jacques, did you know that it's a crocodile ladle? Almost your relative. Wow, we have a real tractor hairdresser here. Has someone ordered a shower? Much better, and now I suggest we paint our Wonder Tractor a bright color. All the cottagers will be jealous. Are you surprised, Mrs. Duck? Guys, let's show Mrs. Duck what our Wonder Tractor can do. You're so good at it, Jacques. But you can't get anywhere without manual labor. You're an artist, Jacques. I hope that Mrs. Duck kept a piece of her special cake for you. These roses definitely need watering. Jacques, try again. Be careful, Nicholas! Maybe it's not that bad. Poor Nicholas. We've done this all for nothing. Jacques, please do something! Mrs. Duck is in danger! Whew! The danger is behind. It's not your day today, Jacques. Mrs. Duck, you're not very mad at the guys, are you? You're so kind, but I would have treated these guys with boiled cauliflower for such help. See you soon!